So last week was Chinese New Year and we went to my mom's house to make dumplings. It's a pretty traditional thing to make on Chinese New Year. Today we will be going to our friend Samit and Robin's house and I will be trying to recreate this dumpling recipe without the supervision of Mama Lee, which I've never done before, so we'll see how it turns out. I have her recipe. I know the things to do. We aren't gonna be making the dumpling wrappers because that's just too much work and that's something I don't know how to do, so we just bought the wraps instead. But otherwise everything in the recipe is gonna be pretty much the same. So let's see how they turn out, you know, gotta start somewhere. And our friends Bennett and Heather are gonna be coming. They're gonna bring their dog Hendrix, we're gonna bring Ezra, they're gonna have a little play date, and maybe if the dogs are good, they'll get a dumpling. Maybe, but Ezra hasn't been that good, so we'll see. All right, we're gonna go now. We got Roman on chive chopping. We got Bennett on minced ginger. And Samit is handling some meat. And I'm mostly giving direction at this point. And the gals are here.
Oh, my boob's out.
Yeah. And the dog, oh, is so happy. You're so happy. Oh my goodness, don't do that. And Hendrix, hi Hendrix. Cheers, dear.
Roman.
As long as they're drinking, they'll do all the work. Let's bro love. Okay, we're gonna do a tutorial on how to make the dumpling. This is a little different because this is not fresh dough, but let's show you. You gotta zoom in and shit here. Okay, so you gotta wet the outside, you know? Be gentle with your finger, you know? You guys got experience with this.
Is it nice and wet?
Get it nice and wet, so just a little dip, and just wet the outside edge, okay?
That's a good way to start.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta warm it up. Okay. Yeah. You can't go in dry.
Yeah,
No.
right.
You gotta
Warm it up with the finger.
Wet it a little bit. Don't put too much.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot.
Ooh.
Don't put too much because this won't stretch.
Wow.
The fresh ones with the fresh dough, those stretch, you know. But these ones, okay. Anyway, middle. This is actually a little bit too much. Okay, connect in the middle. Do you want me to show you the pretty way first or the easy way?
Pretty way.
It's all about making like pleats, right? So you make the first pleat, and this is that dumpling shapes. That first one you make, okay?
That's a pleat.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
You can do multiple to make it like pretty, right? You can do it like this, right?
Okay.
Right? To make it pretty.
You're right.
So like 1, 2,
Right.
just a little stuff, but like 3,
Right.
okay? And see, that's the thing. You don't want it too stuffed because it won't close then. And then when you cook it, it's gonna open up, right?
Okay.
But like it's gotta like sit flat. Okay. So let me show you another one.
That is pretty.
Let me show you the easy way, okay? Don't put too much, okay? Here's the easy way, okay? The easy way is connect in the middle, right? You always make your first fold, right? So like in half and then your first fold, and then just go like this, and it'll fold together.
Okay.
first fold and then just press it down.
Right.
Lachlan agrees. That is very pretty.
And then
Very pretty.
that's the easy dumpling.
Wow.
I fucked up.
Oh, you totally fucked up. Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay though, right? Like, it's fine. Okay, let me show you
As
now.
long as they're together.
You know, it's not what I said, but, you know, let me show you. Let me do it with you.
Okay,
Let me do it with you,
do it with me here. Do it
Yeah,
with
yeah.
me here.
Okay, so, yes,
look at
yes, 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 yes. Okay, we're making the gluten-free version of dumplings because our dear friend Robin here is gluten-free. Celiac, yeah.
Rice paper wraps.
So we're doing rice paper.
Yep.
Meat. What did we do with the meat?
Oh, we cooked it. We cooked all the meat.
Yeah, we cooked the meat 1st.
Yeah.
So
you
the
can't
filling was
disrupt-
cooked.
And then I put my rice paper wrap, which was like a square, in the hot water, and then it got soft. And now it's here. If you're doing it right, it will end up looking like a soggy penis in a condom. So try and do it right, and there you have it.
There you have it. Soggy penis in a condom.
And then I'll dip it in some sauce, but
Yeah.
then I'll.
Okay, we have to be quiet because the baby is sleeping. But, Bennett, would you consider this a success?
No. A huge success. Oh, it's so satisfying.
I'm not
One
allowed
jump
to say
street.
that.
I would say.
You ever see like the
These are-
muscular Korean Jews?
I would say these are a
And he's
success.
like
They're
breaking
fucking
away.
delicious and worth all of the effort.
Trying not to sleep.
The sauce makes it.
Garlic, the mushroom.
Oh yeah, the sauce freaking yeah, the enoki mushroom. Last time I mom did put enoki mushroom.
Really? Yeah.
There's another special. There's one other thing that I didn't do, which is like there's this like pepper spice.